Hi, this is Funvestor. What if I tell you that stock market is also one of the largest grocery store? Confused, right? In this video, we will talk about basics of commodity markets and look at how you can trade groceries in this market. Before we move ahead, please smash the like button and consider subscribing to Funvestor. Commodities like gold, silver, crude oil, wheat, maize, soybean, and many more can be traded in spot futures or options market. Commodities market is great for hedging. Remember my previous videos on futures and options? If not, check those out. Link is in the description as well as up here in the suggestions. Just like stock exchanges, there are multiple commodity exchanges which facilitate commodity trading. Apart from regional exchanges, there are 6 national commodity exchanges in India. They are Multiple Commodity Exchange or MCX, National Commodity and Derivatives Exchange or NCDEX. These are 2 major ones. Rest 4 are Indian Commodity Exchange or ICEX, National Multi Commodity Exchange or NMCE, ACE Derivative Exchange or ACE, and finally Universal Commodity Exchange or UCX. Let's quickly look at how it works. Both futures and options of commodities are traded in India. Check out our videos on futures and options for better clarity. Moving on, commodity trading generally has 2 participants, one who wants to hedge their risk and other who speculate for making profits. To understand this, let's take an example where Chandni owns a maize farm, and when the maize is ready, then she sells it to a large company named Crown for profit. Suppose the cost of producing maize for Chandni is rupees 10 per kg and the optimal cost of buying maize for Crown, the company, is 15 per kg. There might be scenarios when the price of maize may go up or down depending on the market condition. If the price of maize goes up, then it will be a loss for the company as they will have to pay a lot more for buying the maize. If the price goes down, then Chandni will suffer losses as she will have to sell the maize at a lower price. So in order for them to avoid losses and remove uncertainty due to market volatility, they can enter into a futures or options contract to limit their risk. In commodity market, you get quite high leverage. That means with say 100 rupees, you can trade say 1000 rupees worth of commodity. This number may change, but I hope you got an idea. You can trade lot more worth of commodity with lot less amount of money in your trading account. So that's it for this video, but we will discuss more about commodity markets in future videos. This was the basics. Do smash the like button if you like the video, subscribe to Funvestor and hit the bell notification so that you know when we upload a new video. Thank you. This is Funvestor and see you next time.